Hello friends, welcome to a beginner friendly and updated Python course. Okay, and subscribe to my channel, the Python Ninja channel, for getting more updated courses and videos. Okay, so let's talk about this course. Okay, it is an updated course for starting your journey with Python in 2024. In this course, we will use Python 3.10, which is the most stable version. Okay, we will also install it in the next video in your laptop or PC. Okay, and it is also a beginner friendly course, so I will explain each and everything in detail and with the help of images also where needed. Okay, and we will start it by installing Python and VS Code. Okay, and we will also write some basic projects in this beginner friendly course. This course includes two hands-on projects for exercise. First one would be a word counter tool, which we will make using Python. Okay, and we can count words of a paragraph or anything, which we will write in a notepad, or we will copy paste from a website or anywhere and paste it in our notepad, and we can run our own Python program to get its word count, its spaces, its characters, and other things. Okay, and the second project will be a simple web scraper. Okay, so we will scrape a website and get a weather update from that website. That will be a simple web scraper, not too much complicated, and we will store our data in an Excel sheet. So you will also get experience with working on Excel sheets using Python. Okay, so this is a pre-course for our upcoming intermediate and advanced course. Okay, so this is just starting. Okay, and after that you can also join our intermediate and advanced courses. After that we will also make videos on web scraping, web apps, and AI applications. Okay, now you are learning Python, so let's talk about Python. What is Python? So Python is a popular general purpose programming language which we can use in lots of things like web applications, mobile applications, web apps, AI applications. Applications and data science is the hottest field related to Python these days. Okay, and we will see lots of Python uses in our upcoming videos, and you will also see lots of webs and big companies using Python in their web applications for data science and AI purposes. Okay, so as you can see, it is a general purpose. It can be used for various tasks like web development, data analysis, and automation. The pros of it is easy to read and very beginner friendly. So if you read the Python code, you will understand that it is similar like English language. Okay, so the syntax are very clear, concise. Okay, and if you are learning Python as your first language, then you are at the right place. Okay, so it is very beginner friendly and it is very easier to learn according to other languages. Like if you learn other languages, PHP, Java, or JavaScript, they are very hard according to Python. Okay, so Python is very uh, clear, easier. Okay, easy to read, and it is in demand these days. Okay, so in the next video I will show you how to install Python and Visual Studio Code in your PC or laptop. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you.